Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Canva Presenter View for Zoom. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on how to share the correct presentation window in Zoom so your audience sees the presentation clearly. This is especially useful when you're using Canva Presenter View and want to make sure only the presentation is shown during your meeting. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully launched and ready to use before moving on. If Zoom takes a moment to load, just wait until you can see the main interface. Next, open your sample meeting. This gives you a place to test the sharing setup before presenting to a live audience. Using a sample meeting is a simple way to confirm that everything appears the way you expect, especially if you want to avoid showing the wrong screen or window. Once you're inside the meeting, go to the bottom toolbar in Zoom and click the Share button. This opens the screen sharing panel, where Zoom gives you different options for what you can present to other participants. You may see choices like your full desktop, browser windows, or specific application windows. From there, scroll down through the available sharing options and look for the application window that shows the presentation. This part is important because you want to select the actual presentation window rather than your entire screen. Choosing the presentation window helps keep your shared content cleaner and more professional, and it can also prevent viewers from seeing presenter notes or other open apps. When you find the sample window with the presentation, click on it to select it. Take a quick moment to confirm you've chosen the right window. Usually Zoom will highlight the selected option, which helps you verify that the presentation is the one about to be shared. After that, click Share to begin presenting the selected window in the meeting. Once you do, meeting participants should be able to see the presentation window you selected. As a final tip before you start speaking, it's a good idea to glance at Zoom's sharing indicator to confirm that screen sharing is active. If needed, you can also ask someone in the meeting to confirm they can see the presentation properly. This quick check can help avoid interruptions once your presentation begins. That's it. You've now shared your Canva presentation through Zoom using the presentation window, which is a simple and effective way to present while keeping your setup organized.